Hey guys, my name is Mushi.
And I'm Zach. Today we're going to show you on how to attack in Clash of Clans.
This is my account. You see that? I'm a rush.
As you can see.
I will attack. And I
Why did you use gems, Nego?
Nothing.
Okay.
Because I will attack.
Okay. It's going to attack now. You can see.
As you can see, I will attack now. Where's 14?
So. Okay. It's going to attack. Watch and learn, guys.
See?
See?
See.
Okay. Attack now, Nego. Attack.
Wait. Okay.
He takes out his air defense. And he places all of his dragon in one side. Oh, he has a little... Oh, he placed the little pony. What
No,
the fuck,
that's a
man?
balloon.
What
That's
the fuck, man? What the fuck, man? Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, Max balloon.
It's a max balloon, guys. Let's see how Bimby do it. Okay, Bimby's winning.
No, I'm not winning. No, no, no. What the F?
What the fuck, man?
What? Okay, it's okay.
It's okay, guys. It's just the beginning. It's just a fucking war.
Oh no, I'm
At least you
winning.
can...
Oh, I'm
What the
winning
fuck,
now.
man? What the fuck, man? Oh yeah, 1 star for the team. Okay.
Don't say that again, okay?
Okay, nigga.
Don't say what the fuck, man.
You can see.
Okay, I will 3 star. As
3 star
you can see. Oh no.
What
There's
the
2
fuck,
more.
man? There's 2
Dark
more.
Barracks and Dark Spell Factory.
There's 2 more.
See that? See, you see? Oh no, 2 star. You see that? 2 star.
You see that, motherfucker?
You see? As you can see.
As you can see, guys, he's fucking doing it.
Oh no, I'm losing my mind.
Oh, gotta help me. I'm losing my mind.
No, I'm losing.
Sorry, guys, we can just record in our cell phone because we do not have enough money to buy a computer, so we just record it in our cell phone. just like Drake say, you used to call me and my cell phone.
See,
You can see. What the fuck's that little nigga? Okay, he win.
my second attack is 3 star.
He won? What the fuck, man? Did he?
I want to win, but nothing.
Oh, what the fuck? He didn't win.
I'm sorry, guys. Goodbye. See you later. My second
For
attack.
more videos, please like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye, nigga.